YouTube TV's Quad-Box Multiview allows you to watch up to 4 live channels at the same time, making it perfect for sports weekends, breaking news, and major live events. The feature is automatic, easy to use, and incredibly smooth. Here's exactly how to access it. Start by opening YouTube TV on your smart TV or streaming device. Quad-Box works on Google TV, Android TV, Roku, and select smart TVs. Once you're in the Home or Live tab, scroll until you see a card labeled Multiview or Watch in Multiview. These tiles contain pre-selected channel combinations like multiple football games, news feeds, or live events happening simultaneously. Select a Multiview card, and YouTube TV will instantly launch a 4-screen layout. Each window plays live, but the audio comes from whichever tile you highlight. Use your remote to move between screens and press OK to switch audio. During certain sports events, YouTube TV may offer custom multiview, allowing you to replace tiles with other eligible live games. When available, you'll see a Customize option on the screen. Choose a tile, select another live event from the list, and build the perfect 4-channel setup. You can pause, rewind, or switch channels at any time, and you can exit Multiview instantly by pressing back. Quad-Box Multiview gives you the ultimate multitasking experience. 4 streams, 1 screen, 0 hassle.